So this video is going to demonstrate how to download and install the SmartPanda Tools browser extension. The first step is to get a Raptor account. So you'll want to go to hub.smartpandatools.com, click on Try It Now, and create a Raptor account. Once you have a Raptor account, you're going to log in. You're going to go to Downloads. You'll see the Raptor link here, of course, but if you go to Downloads, you'll see Try the SmartPanda Chrome extension. And so you'll see links here. There's videos, screenshots. Be sure and click this link for full support details and additional videos. But to do the download, make sure you're pay attention here. Are you running a Windows computer or a Mac computer? I'm on a Windows computer, but the steps are the same. Go ahead and click the download. You're going to see that downloading in your browser here. And when that finishes downloading, you're going to go to your downloads folder or wherever your downloads go to. First step, make sure you completely close out of Chrome. You need to be fully closed out of Chrome. Now, Chrome is not running. Now we're going to go to your downloads. Your downloads folder. Go ahead and double click on the install file. Go ahead and click More Info, and you're going to go ahead and execute this installation. When it runs, you will see a black window processing, and then you will see your browser launch. And in the top corner of your browser, you will see the SmartPanda logo. So that's the browser extension right there. When you click on the browser extension, you'll see this pop-up. Now, a couple more steps here you want to make sure you do. Click on the extensions icon here, and you're going to go to Manage Extensions. Within your Manage Extensions, you want to turn on Developer Mode, and then click Reload. So again, that's Reload, and click on Developer Mode. At this point, you're done. And you can do whatever you need, do whatever you wish to do now. So I'm going to launch Chrome. Next time you go into Chrome, you should see the SmartPanda extension. Also note that you want to pin the extension. So when you see it here, just click this icon here to pin the extension. That way it'll always be in your browser header. The downloads page, you'll see this link here. Be sure to check out this link for all kinds of other videos and information, tips and information on how to use the SmartPanda browser extension. Thank you very much.